This is another perfect example of a warning that we are nearing the end of the crypto bull cycle, and that while we may still have upside in the short term, this is probably going to end very, very badly, and a lot of companies are going to absolutely blow up in the next bear market. So if you see over here, in just 2 months, this came out on the Wall Street Journal, 98 companies have raised $86 billion to buy cryptocurrencies, and mostly Bitcoin. So the problem here is that most of these companies doing this are seeing this as kind of the hot new thing, the easy way to make money. And they're all failing as businesses. That is the big red flag. These companies are all basically completely garbage, and some of them nearing bankruptcy. And you can see here, it's a Japanese hotel operator, a French semiconductor, a Florida toy maker, a nail salon chain, an electric bike maker. These guys that are running these businesses, and they're obviously not having much success here. Maybe they can see the writings on the wall for their current business. They just think they're pivoting to this because it seems to be the hot thing that MicroStrategy with Michael Saylor started, where they're raising money to put that money into Bitcoin and speculate on Bitcoin. And you know how this ends. It's every cycle, it's the same thing. People get greedy, they over leverage, and this might still work if you're early, right? As it keeps rising, as long as you're early, you're still getting in when the price is going up. So you still have that option to sell. Now, most people will still get greedy, and even if they're up, they probably won't sell. But the guys that keep on adding with leverage as it goes higher and higher, and that buy at the top, completely overextended, once the bull market is over and it starts to drop and things aren't going to go up, as it drops more and more, they have debt to service, they can't afford the losses, they were maybe in it for the short term, hoping to just keep making money, but once it starts dropping 30, 40, 50, 60%, like we see in bear markets, then they become forced sellers, they have to liquidate. They dump a whole lot of Bitcoin, hundreds of millions, billions of dollars, which creates even more selling pressure, and that is the bear market. We are seeing it unfold in front of our eyes. We've seen it in past cycles where it was the ICO craze, the NFT craze. Now we have companies that have nothing to do with crypto or finance raising money to ape into crypto. This is going to end very, very badly. So again, it is a warning, it is a top signal that we are approaching the end phase of the cycle. And whether that lasts another month or another 3 months, based on the previous cycles, we have until about mid-October till we reach the same cycle length. Be careful. This is a warning to not increase as prices go higher, but to start looking to scale out as things go higher. If you're seeing this for the first time, give the page a follow, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.